What's up, guys? This is Contenders. Pick your team. The 163. 163. Good luck. I got it. Yeah. Blind. That's true. Blind Bobby loves his choice. It's Contenders. The first 4 boxes out of this case was good. I hope we have a hot case. Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
All the videos are still uploading, guys, for the last ones. But everything else should be pretty much there. Oh, all uploaded already? Good to go. Heck yeah. Good luck, guys. And sorry if you guys are just joining us. Like I said, it's probably going to be a little bit early tonight. But don't worry. I'll see you guys next week a few times, too. I'm going to see a lot of you guys next week, for sure. All right, gets the cracked dice or better for 20. And Bless Bucks credit. Gets the cracked dice or better. It can be auto. It can be non-auto. It can be gold. It can be Game 7 shimmers. That way it's not just one auto. We'll do it for you. I gave you guys some nice guesses today. I didn't do anything less than 20, I think, today. Or I might have done 115, but... That all we had?
Huh?
That was all we had?
Oh,
Semis?
yeah.
Oh, wow. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck.
Oh, everybody knows me for Musa now.
Of course, Musa.
I'm never going to buy the Clippers ever again. Never buying the Clippers ever again. Good luck. Houston variation. We have a premium variation. Wow, what a case.
Oh, nice.
What a case, Barrel Boy. The 49 is Keegan. Oh, man. Wow, what a case, guys. Guys, if somebody kills 164, I'll do it. Oh, my. Jabari, Keegan. Holy smokes. Brunson to 199. Wow, what a case. No, I'm serious. I'm not just lying about it. It's crazy. Martin Premium. Boo. For Eric Yang. Eric. Oh, shit. Damn it. Wrong rookie. Damn it. Never mind, Yang. Retract. Trae Young to 75 for Eric Yang.
They're coming out, though.
All right, Eric Yang. I didn't kill you, but I mean, oh my God. Wow. Wow. What a case. What a case. What a case. We have another auto. Wow. Wow. I'm not just saying that. There's a Steph variation. Not just saying it. I promise. Keegan. Kings. Kings is murdering. Barrel Boy with the permit. Christian Brown for the Nuggets and Mango Bango on card rookie auto. Wait for it. Wait for the line. Wait for it. Sexton to 199. Wait for the line. Wait for the line. James Harden to 249. Johnny Davis for the Wizards. And is that Nomad? It is. To 99. This is a crazy case. Everything was numbered for the most part. Jaw. And he's in this chat. I know he is. He just didn't say nothing in a while. How about a Walker Kessler to 99? For the Jazz. For JP, my favorite mango. This case has been crazy. Tell me not. Tell me not. Kessler, Keegan, Jabari. I forget there was one more good one we had out of it. Crazy. It's crazy. It's very crazy. Trey Man at 249. Let's see a crazy 1/1 AJ Griffin. Oh, hello. 7 of 10 IO for the Chicago Bulls. Waiting for a gem with a gold IO second year auto. This case was really good. And I only got 4 more. Guys, if you attack it, I'll do the last 4 before I get off. Rudy Gobert, I promise. If you guys attack it, can you drop the link for the last one? 164, I'll do it. Cracked Ice is Sabonis, the 25 for the Kings. Anybody gets Domantas Sabonis? This was a very glitchy case, by the way. It's beyond glitchy. Yep. We just did that, Aces.
Oh, wow.
How about a Chet base rookie auto for the Thunder? Guys, if nobody kills 164, I don't know what to tell you. Nobody kills 164, I don't know what to tell you. This has been a dream case. To 199, it's Cam Thomas. What a case. Jalen Duren variation. Wiseman variation. No, premium. Excuse me. I lied. Premium. And we end on a Connington to 99. I don't know what else to tell you guys. 164 should be killed. If we kill it before this, I'll rip it. If you guys want to see more heat, which we should have in the last 4 boxes, this is going to be a case. What a case. What a case. What a case. IO Gold. Permit of Keegan. Christian Braun. Johnny Davis to 99. Martin. Walker Kessler to 99. Keegan to 49. And a Chet rookie auto out of 4 boxes. I mean, you guys tell me. And we seen Jabari Smith. And we seen it all so far in this case. And you guys thought it was dead. That's the break, guys.